Snap rings on large equipment and heavy-duty applications can get up to 6.5 inches in diameter, requiring specialized pliers to make sure the rings don't go flying across a shop, field, or highway. The 4513 heavy-duty snap ring pliers set includes two 18-inch long pliers, one for internal and one for external snap rings. Covers internal rings from 3 1/16 inch to 6 1/4 inch snap rings, and external rings from 3.5 inch up to 6.5 inch snap rings. Straight, 45-degree, and 90-degree tips included for a variety of applications and locations, expanding where you can use these pliers. These HD pliers are nearly 3 times the size of the 4512 Automotive snap ring pliers for big, heavy-duty jobs. Also, because the larger snap rings are normally stronger and require more force to hold open, these heavy-duty pliers have a ratcheting handle to securely hold the snap ring until it can be reinstalled correctly. So you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.